Hi everyone, on Windows 10, you can use Update History to see a list of updates installed on your computer in those cases when you want to check if a new update was installed successfully or failed to apply. The Windows 10 Update History can also come in handy when you want to know more about a recently installed quality update, or one of them is causing issues, and you need to uninstall it. In this video, you'll learn the steps to view the update history of Windows 10 using the Settings app. Use these steps. First, open Settings on Windows 10, and click on Update and Security. Next, click on Windows Update, and click the View Update History button. Check the recent history of updates installed on your computer, including quality updates, drivers, definition updates, Windows Defender antivirus, and optional updates. Once you complete the steps, you'll have a better understanding of the successfully installed updates, as well as those updates that failed to install.
If you're watching my video for the first time, please make sure to grab the subscribe button to get the thumbs up and turn on your notifications, so you never miss an update. See you in the next video.